Today, we're going to open the December 2019 Accio monthly subscription box. So I believe the theme for this box is cozy. So I'm really excited to see what's in here because I don't know if you guys can tell, but this box is quite a bit larger than the normal one. It's a little bit taller. It's definitely wider. I think the normal one's more in this range. To give you an indication, this is a normal size box. So this guy is definitely bigger than the normal one. So I'm super excited to see what's in here, and it's heavy, so let's go ahead and get into this. Okay. All right. So right off the bat, looks like we have a hat. Oh, that's super cute. So it says Hollyhead Harpies, and it's got the little golden snitch on there. Let me get this out of the plastic. Okay, so that is super cute. This is a really soft, well-knit hat. And then I love the little logo on here. And that's the team that Ginny ended up playing for after she left Hogwarts. So that is super cute. Love that. Okay, cool. Looks like you have something Christmassy in here. This might be hot cocoa. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's called Peppermint Toad. So it says peppermint toad, it's organic, evaporated cane juice, rice milk, powder. Yeah, so it looks like it's a peppermint hot chocolate. Oh, I can kind of smell peppermint when I hold it up to my nose, but yeah, that's cool. Okay, fun. And let me see what's in this box. Ooh, this is heavy. Oh, I think it's a mug. Let's see. Okay. It is definitely a mug. It's a really heavy mug. And it says, "Let it snow," and it's got the Hogwarts castle on there. That is so cute. I don't know if you guys can really see it on camera. Let me see if I get it a little closer, if it'll... It's got blue speckles on it. Maybe we can see it over here. That is a super cute mug. Really thick and heavy duty. Okay, I love that. Navy blue is one of my favorite colors. Yes, it's Ravenclaw's color, but it was one of my favorite colors before that, so I love that they did that mug in those colors. What's this? Ooh! So we got a Yule Ball pin. I'm going to get this out of the plastic. Okay, so that is really pretty. So it's a glittery enamel that's on the pin, and it says "Admit to" for the Yule Ball, the 25th of December, 1994, and the background of the card is Ron's little dress robes. That is super cute. Okay, I really like that. All right, been avoiding the big thing in the box. Let's see. It looks like it's a blanket. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of this. Oh my gosh, I think this is an invisibility cloak blanket. And it has a little tag that says "Use it well," like Dumbledore wrote on Harry's. This is so soft. I love how soft this is. I almost hate to unwrap it. It's so cute. Okay, I will definitely open this up so you guys can see what this looks like. Okay, so this is so cute. The little pattern on here is just adorable. We've got the suns and moons and constellations and all that stuff, and it is so soft. The back side is just like a white, but it's just as soft. And if I had to guess, I'm going to say that this is about 40 inches by 60 inches. So it's not a super huge throw, but it is really soft, and it's super cute, and I'm sure this will be really warm. And I love that they've got the invisibility theme on there, so that is really, really cute. All right, let's see. I think we just have the cheat sheet left. All right, so they are calling this box Keeping Cozy. There's lots of things to love about winter, the holidays, the beautiful snow, lots of excuses to eat delicious foods with friends and family, and drink warm, sweet beverages out of your favorite mug. But let's be real, it's also cold as heck, and sometimes all we want to do is curl up under a blanket to have magical movie marathons. This box has been covered literally with lots of items to keep you toasty and comfortable as you enjoy the season. So the first item is the invisibility blanket, and they are valuing that at $25. And we have the Hollyhead Harpies Team Spirit cap, and that's valued at $15. And it looks like the artist of this is Wade Kelly of Work Wagon Designs, so that's cool. Then we have the Yule Ball pin, and this is exclusive. And it looks like this was designed in-house by Accio, so it doesn't have an actual pin maker. I know they've used Muggle-born Sisters and some of those to do pins before, so this one was made in-house. They have the Snowy Castle stoneware mug, and this was designed by Christina of Accio, the CEO, and that mug is super cute. It's valued at $15. And then it is peppermint toad hot cocoa powder, so that's super cute. I love that you can use that with your mug, but yeah. Good box. I really enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think this is a really fun idea for them to do kind of a cozy, warm theme. And I love everything they put in there. The pin is super cute. I love the invisibility cloak blanket. And that mug is just adorable. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.